What? Hi, what are you doing?
Just finishing up my homework.
What are you working on?
Of history of Malaysia.
Do you have any reference?
Yes, maybe I have a few. But I'm looking for more.
Maybe I can help you. I have book about history of Indonesia. You can use.
That will be great.
Hakim is planning a trip for him and his friends near the end of the year. Please, let's go for a trip for the new year.
Sure. What do you have in mind?
We should go to Singapore and go to Universal Studios.
That's my trouble for us. It's too expensive.
Yeah, and we don't have idea. How about you?
I want to lebih instan.
No, that's too expensive. It's not worth it.
I got all the ticket and one
Sounds good. I'll invite some of our friends over.
Here.
I'm Gila and Adib. I have a task from Mami Parhun to make a conversation about offer and suggestion.
Gil, have you done a task from Mami Farhun?
No, I have finished.
This task is so difficult. I'm wasting a lot of time to do this task.
How about we make this task together?
Sounds good. What should we do now?
We shall go to the dormitory to discuss this task.
Let's go.
At one time, I want to learn how to play crypto. Then suddenly, Iksan appeared apart of my eyes. And then I asked him, "Hey Iksan, do you play crypto?
Absolutely not.
Do you know Timothy Ronald?
I don't care about it.
Or isn't he a famous crypto influencer?
I don't think so.
I really want to play crypto. Can you teach me?
Why? You're still young.
Because I want to get a lot of money."
One way to...
Okay, thank you, Iksan.
Sure.
Okay.